Hello friends, in today's video we will see how to open India Post Payments Bank account online. In simple terms we can say how to open our post office digital account online. First and foremost, let's understand the documents that we need to have with us before opening this account. We need to have our PAN number. At the same time we need to have our Aadhaar number, and the Aadhaar number has to have our mobile number linked with that. This process hardly takes 5 minutes to complete. Let's get it started. First and foremost, you need to download IPPB application from your app store. Once the application is downloaded, open the application. It will ask for access permission. Provide the access permission, then you will be landed on the screen. In the application home page, you will get an option to open new IPP account. Click on open your account now tab. It will take you to this home screen. So this is the place where you need to enter your mobile number. That is the first option it is asking you to enter. Post that you have to enter your PAN number. After you have provided both the information, click on continue button. It will take you to the next screen. In this screen, it would have sent an OTP to the mobile number that you entered in the previous page. Enter the OTP you received. Post entering the OTP, click on submit button. It will take you to this screen. This is where you need to enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number. Enter your Aadhaar number. Post entering the Aadhaar number, you need to re-enter the Aadhaar number so that the validation will happen. Post entering these two details, click on below two checkboxes. This is asking for your declaration that you do not have any Aadhaar based OTP account and you are giving your consent to open your account via OTP method. Then click on submit. It will send the OTP to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Enter the OTP you received. Post entering the OTP, click on submit button. It will take you to the account opening page. In this page, you need to start filling your personal information. Click on personal information tab. It will fetch your information based on your Aadhaar number, including your photo. Post verifying your photo and your name, you need to start entering your mother's maiden name, then husband or wife's name, after that the mother's name. Some informations are pre-filled. Example, the father's name, your full name, those details are already pre-filled. You can enter your email ID in case you want the communication to be sent to your email ID from the bank. Post validating all this information, click on save button. Now you will be given a tick mark nearby personal information. Now you have to start filling the information under PAN and communication address. Click over there. It will take you to this screen. This is where you need to confirm your permanent address. This address is fetched from your Aadhaar card. In case your communication address is same as permanent address, tick communication address box and then click on save. Now you will be done with PAN communication address declaration. You need to start filling the nominee details. In the nominee details section, in case you want to provide some nominee to your bank account, click on yes. It will ask you to enter the details of your nominee, including the name, date of birth and permanent address. In this case, I do not want to nominate anybody to my savings account, so I select no and then click on save. Now the nominee details have been saved. Now we need to start filling additional information, starting with your marital status and occupation type and gross annual income. In case your occupation is not there, click on others and then you have to select your education level. You can click on the arrow icon to select your specific education level. I am selecting graduation. In case you are politically exposed person, you have to select yes, else select no and then click on save. Now you are done with additional information. The next step is account information. Click on account information section. It will ask whether you want to require an account statement. Click on yes and then choose the delivery type. In case you want online, select online type. Post that it will ask for DPT mapping. In case you want to receive DPT in PPP account, click on the first icon. In this case I do not want, so I am selecting no, I do not want to change DPT mapping. Post providing this information, click on I agree to PPP terms and condition, then click on save. Now you have completed all the steps involved in opening IBB account online. Post providing all the information, click on continue. It will take you to the confirmation screen. Just confirm the information that you have provided so far in the previous screens. Once you are done with all the validation, click on confirm. Again, it will send an OTP to your mobile. Enter the OTP you received. Post entering the OTP, click on submit. Now the account will be created instantly. It will show you the account number as well as the customer ID. To log in to your IBB account, click on go to home. Then you will be given an option where you need to enter your customer ID, account number and your mobile number with date of birth. Then click on register. Post that, you should be able to log into your IBB account without any issues. This is how you can open post office savings digital account using your mobile application. I hope this video helps you to open new account. Please subscribe to our channel for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.